In this video, we will talk about some new changes that have come in Hyper operating system after update. Hey everyone, this is Side Chris, come back with another new video. So in this video, we have to talk about on this topic. If you are having any Xiaomi phone, then you need to definitely watch this video full. Let's start the video. First change in lock screen customization. It's one of the biggest change after Hyper operating system update is lock screen customization, which comes with a lot of lock screen customization and also divided in three parts. First one is classic and second was rhombus and third one magazine. Select any one lock screen and you can customize according to your choice. After that, let's move to another features. Another feature's name is new control center. You can notice after updating Hyper operating system in your device brand new control center. A control center inspired by iOS and blur option not available for all devices. If you have Xiaomi budget devices, then you will not get blur control center in your devices. Let's move to another features. Its name is AI Gallery. After updating Hyper operating system, you will get AI features in Gallery. Simply select any image. You will long press on it. After that, you will pop out three options here: copy, save and send. You also can copy this image without background, and also you can share an image without background, and also you can change background from this image, and also you can remove background from this image. You can see here I simply remove background from this image. It's perfectly working. Let's move to another features. After that, let's talk about some changes in setting. You will notice changes in display and brightness section. You can see our light mode and dark mode icon changes here. And also you can schedule your dark mode according to your choice. And also you can enable this feature adjust text and background automatic. When using dark mode, then it will automatically adjust your text. After that, changes in reading mode. New option added here, paper mode. You can see here. If you enable this features paper mode, your screen getting color warmer color, and also added here paper texture, and also you can adjust paper texture and color temperature. Okay, you can notice here after applying the paper mode, your screen getting convert into a paper texture and color getting warmer. It's one of the best features for reading anything as a longer time. It also decreases eye strain. You can use this feature when you read any PDF and anything. You also can say that it's a 2.0 version of reading mode. Okay, and also you can change color here. If you want to a light color, you can set here light color, and also you can black and white according to your choice. Let's move to another feature. Another feature in settings. You can notice in touch and sound in notifications. You can see here type on notification, and here you can see here notification sounds added here. Okay, simply click on natural mix, and you can see lots of animals and birds sounded added here for your notification. You can apply any 5 notification, and also can apply single notification sound, and also you can randomize any 5 notification sound here. Simply click on random. After that, let's move to another features. Another feature's name is sidebar features. If you enable this feature, you can open any 2 applications in a floating window, and also you can switch between 2 split screen, and also you can change size of floating window according to your choice, maximize or minimize. Also you can simply sidebar features from simply drag and drop any 2 application like this. If you want to enable this feature, simply go in additional settings, After that, simply click on floating window and simply click on sidebar and simply enable this feature. Enable always show features and you can enjoy these features. After that, let's move to another features. Another features update in our video tool features. If you added video tool features in YouTube, you can notice these changes. Simply swipe from right to this toggle or this sidebar and you can notice here some changes. I currently using modded version of security application to show that I have got lots of features. If you using the official version of security application, you getting limited features. Please comment what changes have you noticed or not. If you want to install this modded security application in your device, simply comment below. I will try to create video on this topic if you want to. Let's move to another features. Other features in camera applications you can see here. If you are using after updating a hyper operating system, you will notice camera application in some new features and you also notice UI changes here. If you want any flexi phone, you will notice lots of changes in camera applications, new features added here. And if you simply swipe down to open camera tool features here. Let's move to another features. Other features in gallery application. If you click image of any text, then you also can copy text from image. Simply press and hold on image. After some time, copy option appears here. You also can copy all text from image and also can directly search and simply click on select all to select all text from image and simply you can copy all text from image. Let's move to another changes. Another changes in security applications. If you enable this application, you will notice lots of changes here in UI changes and added some new features in security applications. And also new changes in weather application. If you open this application, you will notice here UI changes here. And also you notice in other application UI changes. And let's move to other features. Other features added in home screen. After updating hyper operating system, you will notice here new UI added in Xiaomi devices. Also app opening and closing animation added in Xiaomi devices after updating hyper operating system. App opening closing animations are smooth after updating hyper operating system as compared to MIUI. And super folder features are same as MIUI. And also you can change your icon of any specific applications here according to your choice. Lots of changes and improvement in hyper operating system. It's far better than MIUI. Thanks for watching.